Here's the truth most AI talk skips right past. The AI is not the bottleneck anymore. You are. And that's not an insult. It's the most freeing thing a developer can realize in 2026. Not the model, not the context window, not the prompt. Let me show you why that's good news. Think about your last coding session. The AI hit somewhere that feels wrong, overbuilt, solving the wrong problem. So you nudge it based on what you know about your domain, your users, your constraints. And suddenly it does brilliant work. That wasn't the AI getting smart. That was your knowledge setting a higher ceiling. There's a distinction almost nobody names clearly: tactical versus strategic engineering. Tactical is the how. Write the function, build the endpoint, fix the failing test. Strategic is, on the other hand, is why and the what. Which architecture, where the boundaries go, which feature to build next, why this approach breaks at scale. AI got really good at the tactical. It's still weak at the strategic. And the strategic is where you live. And the numbers back this up. The Bureau of Labor Statistics expects narrow task-based coding roles to drop 6% by 2034. That's the tactical ceiling getting automated. But overall developer jobs projected to grow 15% in the same window. The demand isn't shrinking, it's moving up the stack. Here's the part the headlines skip. About 85% of developers now use AI coding tools, but only 29% trust the output, and that distrust is earned. One study of over 100 models found AI code has almost 3 times more vulnerabilities than human code. So think of it that way. A force multiplier is great, but a force multiplier times 0 understanding still equals 0. And it's not even always faster. The METR study found something wild. Senior developers on code they already knew well were 19% slower with AI. Why? Because checking the AI against knowledge you already carry just adds friction. The tool helps most where your knowledge is thin and least where it's deep. Either way, your knowledge is the thing that decides. This is why nudging beats prompting. When you redirect the AI away from a path you know will fail, because you've watched that pattern break before, the output jumps. That's not smarter model, by the way. That's you. Your expertise was never about typing speed. It was about knowing which direction to type in. So here's something people miss. The quality of your code base decides how well AI performs on it. Clean code, clear boundaries, good names. The AI pattern matches against that and extends it. A tangled mess. The AI mirrors the chaos and makes it worse. So your engineering standards literally controls how good your AI is. Clean code is AI-legible code. So stop marrying your workflow to one tool. Models change, pricing changes. The thing that lasts is the harness. Your project structure, your context, your review and testing, your code files and skills. The harness is where your expertise lives. The model is just the engine, and engines get replaced. So the job is starting to look like managing a team of AI agents. 4 skills, decide if you're good at it. Skill number 1, break goals into clear scope tasks. Skill number 2, judge quality, spot the race conditions, the missing edge case, the unstable pivot. Skill number 3, allocate, know what to hand off and what to keep. Skill number 4, course correct early, the moment it drifts. And notice every one of these needs more expertise, not less. And they all depend on you and who you are and what you know. So if your expertise is the thing being multiplied, invest there, harder than any tool. Learn architecture deeply. Master your domain, part of that AI can't read from your code. Write cleaner code because it makes every future suggestion better, and build harnesses that hold up no matter which model ships next. AI didn't kill the need for skilled developers. I can assure you that. It raised the bar for what skilled means. The tactical ceiling is being automated. The strategic ceiling is being raised. And that ceiling is exactly as high as your knowledge and judgment can reach. You are the ceiling, so build yourself higher. If this gives you a new way to see your work, then subscribe. I break down how to build with AI every week. And tell me in the comments, what's the one skill you're going to go deeper this year? Keep shipping, and I will see you next week.